finally got it. Hi! So we're in IKEA, but the Tampines branch to pick up these cushion covers. They ran out of the table runner, unfortunately. The website said low in stock, but there was like only one left in the store, and apparently we're too late. Even though we came like 30 minutes after it opened. Try and get Shake Shack, our favorite, but if there's a long queue then maybe we'll reconsider because it's already like 1 p.m. The Shibamba stickers. This one is so cute. They go to UK, Japan, Thailand, Hawaii. I'm gonna get the Christmas one.
Is it good?
It's pretty strong.
The hojicha?
Hi! So today we're going to be decorating our Christmas tree. We got it set up and the lights are already put on. Let's get decorating!
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
Is this my playlist?
No, it's not.
Because it's a great playlist.
It's the typical playlist.
Yeah. Song. What kind of song are you picking, William?
I didn't pick it. It's part of playlist.
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you.
Look at Porky. He's a porcupine. Isn't he so perfect at this spot?
We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree, honestly, it's never been much about you. It's all of the people around you.
I wanted to show you guys the night view. Isn't it just so spectacular? Oh yeah, and I've added Gingy. He's a gingerbread soft toy. Here's Porky. Hi, Porky. Got the pillows. This at the sofa. And at the dining table. So that's the end of today's Vlogmas. Hope you guys like the Christmas decor all around my place. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next Vlogmas.